and welcome to this video that I totally did not agree to. But guess what? I'm here doing it anyways. Because why not? Ha, get it? The Pokemon why not? It's a pun. A really bad pun at that. But forget that. Today I'm going to be saying every Pokemon to ever exist. Which is really boring, I know. That's why I'm just going to do it anyways. Because that's my channel, right? Things that don't make any sense. And I do them anyways. Okay, let's start. Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, Venusaur, Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard, Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise, Caterpie, Metapod, Butterfree, Weedle, Kakuna, Beedrill, Pidgeotto, Pidgeot, Predator, Raticate, Spearow, Fearow, Ekans, Arbok, Pikachu, Raichu, Shansu, Sandslash, Nidoran, Female, Nidoran, Nidoqueen, Nidoran, Male, Nidorino, Nidoking, Clefairy, Clefable, Vulpix, Ninetales, Jigglypuff, Wigglytuff, Zubat, Golbat, Oddish, Gloom, Wildplume, Paras, Parasect, Venonat, Venomoth, Diglett, Dugtrio, Meowth, Persian, Psyduck, Golduck, Mankey, Primeape, Growlithe, Arcanine, Poliwag, Poliwhirl, Poliwrath, Abracadabra, Alakazam, Machop, Machoke, Machamp, Bellsprout, Weepinbell, Victreebel, Tentacruel, Geodude, Graveler, Golem, Ponyta, Rapidash, Slowpoke, Slowbro, Magnemite, Magneton, Farfetch'd, Doduo, Gordrio, Seal, Dugong, Grimer, Mug, Shelter, Cloyster, Ghastly, Haunter, Gengar, Onix, Drowsy, Hypno, Krabby, Kingler, Voltorb, Electrode, Executor, Cubone, Marowak, Hitmonlee, Hitmonchan, Lickitung, Coughing, Wheezing, Rhyhorn, Rhydon, Chansey, Tangela, Kangaskhan, Horsey, Seadra, Goldeen, Seeking Star, Starmie, Mr. Mime, Scyther, Jinx, Electabuzz, Magmar, Pinsir, Tauros, Magikarp, Gyarados, Lapras, Ditto, Eevee, Vaporeon, Jolteon, Porygon, Omanite, Omastar, Kabutops, Dactyl, Snorlax, Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres, Dratini, Dragonair, Mewtwo, and Mew. Chikorita, Bayleaf, Meganium, Cyndaquil, Kulava, Typhlosion, Totodile, Croconuff, Alligator, Sentret, Farret, Hoothoot, Noctowl, Ladybug, Ladian, Spinarak, Ariados, Crobat, Chinchou, Lantern, Pichu, Cleffa, Igglybuff, Togepi, Togetic, Natu, Zatu, Mareep, Fluffy, Ampharos, Bellosum, Marill, Azumarill, Sudowoodo, Politoed, Hoppip, Skiploom, Jumpluff, Aipom, Sunkern, Sunflower, Yanma, Wooper, Quagsire, Espeon, Umbreon, Murkrow, Slowking, Misdrevious, Unknown, Wobbuffet, Girafarig, Pineco, Fortress, Dunsparce, Gligar, Steelix, Snubbull, Granbull, Quillfish, Scissor, Shuckle, Heracross, Sneasel, Teddiursaur, Syrinx, Slugma, Cargo, Swinub, Piloswine, Corsola, Remoraid, Octillery, Delibird, Mantine, Skarmory, Houndour, Houndoom, Kingdra, Phanpy, Donphan, Porygon 2, Stantler, Smeargle, Taro, Hitmontop, Smoochum, Elekid, Magby, Miltank, Blissey, Raikou, Entei, Suicune, Larvitar, Pupitar, Tyranitar, Lugia, Ho-Oh, Celebi, Trico, Grovyle, Subtle, Torchic, Combuskin, Blaziken, Mudkip, Barstomp, Swampert, Puchana, Mightyena, Zigzagoon, Linoon, Wurmple, Silicune, Beautifly, Cascoon, Dustox, Slowtide, Lombre, Delicolo, Seedot, Nuzleaf, Shiftry, Tailo, Swallow, Wingull, Pelipper, Skrillia, Gardevoir, Sausterolls, Skarskid, Musketeer, Shurmish, Breloom, Slackoth, Vigoroth, Slacking, Nincada, Ninjas, Shed Ninja, Whismur, Loudred, Explode, Makuhita, Hariyama, Azurill, Nosepass, Kitty, Delcatty, Sableye, Mawile, Aron, Lirion, Aggron, Meditite, Medicham, Electrike, Manectric, Plusle, Minum, Volbeat, Lumise, Roselia, Gulpin, Swalot, Carvana, Sharpedo, Wilmer, Willor, Nummo, Cameraptor, Coltspoint, Grumpig, Spinda, Trapinch, Brewa, Flagon, Cacnea, Cacturn, Swab, Luantaria, Zangoose, Sir Wiper, Lunatone, Solrock, Barboach, Vizcatch, Corfish, Cordon, Baltoy, Claydol, Lily, Credilli, Anorith, Malzo, Feebas, Milotic, Castform, Kecleon, Shuppet, Bayonet, Duskull, Dusclops, Tropius, Chimecho, Absol, Why Not, Snorant, Lily, Spheal, Celio, Volrain, Clamperl, Huntil, Gorbis, Relicanth, Lovedisc, Bagon, Shelgon, Telements, Beldum, Melting, Metang, Metagross, Regirock, Regice, Registeel, Latios, Kyogre, Groudon, Rayquaza, Jirachi, Deoxys. Turtwig, Grotzel, Torterra, Chimchar, Monferno, Infernape, Piplup, Primplup, Empoleon, Starly, Staravia, Staraptor, Bidoof, Bibarel, Kricketok, Kricketune, Shinx, Luxio, Luxray, Badu, Roserade, Quinados, Rampardos, Shieldon, Bastodon, Burmy, Wormazam, Mothim, Combi, Whispukin, Pachirisu, Buizel, Floatzel, Cherubi, Cherim, Shellos, Gastrodon, Ambipom, Griffloom, Driftblim, Baneri, Lopunny, Mismagius, Honchkrow, Glammeow, Purugly, Chingling, Stunky, Skunk Tank, Bronzor, Bronzong, Bonsley, Mime Jr., Happening, Chatot, Spiritomb, Gibble, Gabite, Garchomp, Oopsie Daisy, Gibble, Garbite, Gumshoe, Menchlex, Ryolu, Lucario, Hippopotas, Hippowdon, Scorpy, Drapion, Krogan, Toxico, Carnivine, Finion, Luminion, Mantike, Snover, Abomasnow, Weavile, Magneton, Licky, Hyperior, Tangrowth, Electivire, Magmortar, Togekiss, Yanmega, Leafeon, Glaceon, Gliscor, Mamoswine, Porygon, Galade, Probopass, Dusknoir, Frostlass, Rotom, Uxie, Mesprit, Resolve, Dialga, Palkia, Heatran, Regigigas, Giratina, Cresselia, Pheon, Manaphy, Darkrai, Shaman, Arceus, Victini, Snivy, Servite, Serperior, Tepig, Pignite, Emboar, Oshawott, Dewott, Samurott, Patrot, Watchog, Lilipel, Perdier, Duckland, Purloin, Lightbird, Pansage, Simisage, Panseer, Simisear, Panpour, Semipore, Muna, Musharna, Pidove, Tranquil, Unpheasant, Blitzel, Substriker, Rock'n'Rolla, Boldor, Gigalith, Woobat, Swoobat, Drillbell, Exadrill, Aldino, Timber, Gurger, Conkelter, Timple, Palpitoad, Seismitoad, Turo, Sock, Sordle, Stradaloon, Levani, Winnipede, Whirlipede, Scolipede, Cottony, Whimsicott, Petalil, Lilligant, Basculin, Sandal, Crocorock, Crocodile, Darumaka, Darmanitan, Miractus, Dwebble, Crustal, Scraggy, Scrafty, Siglif, Yamask, Coffergrigus, Tuga, Caracosta, Arcan, Archeops, Trubbish, Garbodor, Zoroark, Minchino, Chinchino, Gothorita, Gostel, Solosis, Dujan, Reuniclus, Ducklet, Swana, Winilish, Deerling, Saucebug, Emolga, Carablast, Excavalier, Fungus, Amungus, Frigid, Frillish, Jellicent, Lomamula, Joltik, Galvantula, Ferroseed, Ferrothorn, Clank, Dynamo, Electrox, LGMB, Hem, Litwick, Lampin, Chandelorax, Fracture, Haxorus, Cupchew, Beartic, Caragonal, Shell, Medixel, Gorstone, Fix Me and Fool Me and Shout, Dirty Gun, Golett, Ponyard, Bisharp, Buffalo, Rufflet, Berry, Wallaby, Mandibuds, Heatmore, Duran, Dinos, Zuelius, Hydreigon, Larester, Volcarona, Cabalion, Terrakion, Verizon, Tornadus, Thunderous, Reshiram, Zekrom, Landorus, Curum, Keldeo, Meloetta, Genesect. Chespin, Collagen, Chestnut, Fennekin, Braixen, Delphox, Froakie, Frogadier, Greninja, Bunnelby, Diggersby, Fletchling, Fletchinder, Talonflame, Scatterbug, Spew, Powawillion, Littleio, Barroar, Flabebe, Floette, Florges, Skittle, Go-Go, Pancham, Pangoro, Furfuro, Esper, Meowstick, Honedge, Doublade, Edgeslash, Spritzy, Aromatisse, Swirlix, Slurpups, and K-Malamar, Binicle, Barbarical, Skrelp, Dragalge, Clonger, Cloydzer, Helioptile, Heliolisk, Tyrant, Tyrantrum, Amora, Auroras, Sylveon, Helucha, Dedenne, Carbink, Gumi, Sligo, Gudra, Klefki, Phantom, Trevenant, Pugaboo, Gorgai, Bearmite, Avalag, Noibat, Noivern, Exernius, Yveltal, Zygarde, Diancie, Hoopa, Volcanion, Rowlet, Dartrix, Decidueye, my favorite starter, Litten, Torracat, Incineroar, Poplio, Brion, Primarina, Piggyback, Trumbeak, Toucanon, Yungoos, Gumshoe, Squabbin, Chargebug, Wickavolt, Carballer, Abominable, Oricoro, Cutiefly, Rumbi, Rockruff, Lycanroc, Wishy-Washy, Marini, Toxapex, Mudbray, Mudvale, Dewbiter, Arachnid, Formantis, Laurentis, Morel, Shinotix, Landit, Slazzle, Stuffle, Beware, Bounsweet, Steenie, Serena, Comfy, Ranguru, Pessimian, Wimpod, Blesspod, Sandigas, Pesselan, Pikamuku, Type Null, Chilwally, Minior, Kamala, Turtonator, Tugenimaru, Mimikyu, Brockshish, Drampa, Delmice, Jangmo, Hakamo, Komomo, Tapukoga, Lapulita, Tapubulu, Tapufini, Cosmo, Solgaleo, Lunala, Nihilgo, Buzzwool, Faramosa, Zerkatry, Celesteela, Kartana, Guzzlord, Necrozma, Magirna, Marshadow, my channel mascot, Hoipole, Lenegato, Stakataka, Blissiphion, Zeraora, Moltan, Melmetal, Rookie, Thaki, Rillaboom, Scorbunny, Rabu, Tinneray, Sobble, Drizzle, Inteleon, Scobit, Greedon, Rookidee, Corvisquire, Corviknight, Blickbug, Dottler, Orbital, Negativul, Gossifleur, Eldegoss, Lulu, Double, Chutul, Dreadnought, Yamper, Bolton, Rolycoly, Carcol, Colossal, Applin, Flapple, Appleton, Silicobra, Seneconda, Cramarant, Aracuda, Barracuda, Toxel, Toxicity, Sizzlipede, Centiscore, Squabopus, Grappalox, Innisty, Poltegeist, Hatsina, Hatterine, Impotent, Morgrim, Grimsnarl, Obstacle, Berserker, Cursula, Surface, Mr. Ryan, Ruderigus, Milcereal, Creamy Veiling, Pinkerton, Snom, Frost, Mothfrom, Jadstone, Joiner, Ice Q, and DD, Morpeko, Q, Fin, Copper, Roger, Dracosol, Darkosol, Draco, Vishartos, Octowish, Duladon, Dripid, Dracloak, Dracopulsations, Amazon, Tartarnatus, Cupful, Arshifood, Zarude. Why did that take me 9 minutes? I mean, there are 900 Pokemon, so I guess it takes you 9 minutes to say 900 Pokemon, so 100 Pokemon per minute. Pretty cool. So that's going to be it for this video. And slap that like button if you actually watched till the end, since this is extremely boring.